Good morning, students. Welcome to computer class. In this video, I would like to explain the interconversion of conditional statements. The interconversion of conditional statement. Shall we start our class? Before going to watch this video, children, keep your books in front of you and note down the conversions. First one is the interconversion of if else statement to conditional operator. In the previous class, I have taught the conditional statements, switch statements, and conditional operators. If you have any doubts, go through that video and once again remember the syntaxes of this if else statement and conditional operator. Now, the first one is if else statement to conditional operator. That's why I am writing first the syntax of if else statement. If condition expression 1 else expression 2. This is the syntax of if else statement. How we will convert this if else statement into conditional operator? Okay, now write the syntax of conditional operator. Condition, expression 1 and expression 2. Now, what we have to do, you just write the condition which we are using in the if else statement in the condition place of the conditional operator. And the expression 1 in the place of expression 1 in the conditional operator. And the else block, that is expression 2, we have to write in the expression 2 place in conditional statement. This is the interconversion of if else statement to conditional operator. Suppose I would like to convert a conditional operator to if else statement. How we will convert? First, write down the syntax of conditional operator. Condition, expression 1, expression 2. Now, I would like to convert this conditional operator to if else statement. Now, write the condition which we are using in the conditional operator in the if statement. That is, we just write this condition in if statement and the true block, that is expression 1, we will write in the true block, that is expression 1, and expression 2, that is false block, we can write in the else statement. This is the interconversion of conditional operator statement to if else statement. Now, I would like to convert a if else ladder to switch statement. If else ladder to switch statement. If else ladder means we are checking so many conditions, more than one. If the condition is false, we are going to check another condition. Like that, we are writing this if else ladder. How we will write? First, write the if else ladder. If condition 1, block 1, else if condition 2, block 2, else if condition 3, block 3, else default block. How we will convert this one? How we will convert? First, write the condition. In the switch, we are going to write the expression, that is conditional variable, which we are using in the condition. We are writing that conditional variable in the expression, and value 1 is there, no? There we are writing the condition, and in the first block is we are going to write in the first block, first case, and second block we are going to write in the second case, and the third block we are going to write in the third case, and the default block we are going to write in the default block. This is the interconversion of a else of else if ladder to switch statement. Now a switch statement to if else ladder. A switch statement to if else ladder. How we will convert? First, write down this switch statement. Now, how we will convert? We are writing the expression and its case values equal to the condition. Expression is equal to value 1, that is the condition 1, and block 1 we are writing in the first true block. Else if we are writing the condition 2, that is value 2 is there, no, that's one we are writing in the condition 2, and block 2 is we are is writing in the second condition true block, and else if condition 3 we are writing this third block in the third true block, and at last we are writing the default block. This is the interconversion of block 1 in the first true block, block 2 in the second true block, block 3 in the third true block, and the default block in the last false block. This is the interconversion of switch statement to if else ladder. Children, these are very important models for 2 marks questions. In the question paper, minimum we have 5 questions to convert one statement to another statement. Means 5 twos are how much? 10 marks. Easily we can get 10 marks if we understand these conversions. That's why students listen carefully and try to understand. Put your mind. Then only we can understand the computer subject. Computer applications means this is not an easy subject. If you keep your mind, then only you can understand this subject. Okay, ma? Subscribe this channel to get the notifications. Children, thank you.